Hi guys, today we're going to talk to you about 4 benefits of using Tugger train systems within your manufacturing facility. So Tugger train systems are quite commonly used within automotive, OEMs, industrial machinery and other forms of heavy-duty manufacturing. And the reason why they're actually used is to help move materials or goods through your facility in a much easier fashion. So rather than using forklifts or manual labor, Tugger trains actually ferry the products through your shop floor. Now, one of the biggest advantages of using Tugger train systems over other forms of transportation would be a reduced floor congestion. So in a lot of facilities, forklifts are still used to transport different pallets and materials around, and that can cause a lot of traffic and different types of floor congestion. You'll have people, you'll have forklifts, you have all sorts of things running around. Whereas if you implement a Tugger train, it can eliminate some of the forklifts and then therefore clear up the shop floor. Now, the second benefit of using Tugger train systems within your manufacturing facility is that it actually gives you a little bit more flexibility with the products that you're transporting. So you're not actually locked into just having pallet sizes. You could actually, with the FlexQube concept, have hanging concept carts, you could have shelf carts, you can have, of course, the flat deck type of carts as well. There is actually thousands of designs on our website where you can actually flick through and have a look, and all of these can have a tow bar attached to them, or they can be adjusted to fit into a mother-daughter frame system. The third advantage of using Tugger train systems over forklifts or other forms of transportation systems would be ergonomic advantages. So it makes it easier for the operators to actually access the materials. They can easily access the parts. If you are using different types of carts within your Tugger train system, such as hanging carts or shelf carts, this makes it much more ergonomic for the operators to actually access the materials along the assembly line. Now, the fourth, and some may say actually the biggest impact of using Tugger train systems is safety. Using Tugger train systems, they are much safer than forklifts. It is commonly known that forklifts actually kill quite a few number of people in the USA alone, whereas Tugger train systems ensure that products stay lower to the ground, they're more transported through direct routes, and they are more efficient. So these are just a few of the advantages of using Tugger train systems rather than forklifts and manual labor. And if you have any questions regarding this, you can read the blog post that we have on our website about this, or reach out to us at www.flexcube.com. Thanks very much for listening, guys.